Hey everyone, this is Ali. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to put shocks cap, shock absorbers to your cap, and here where it goes for international RT. But yeah, guys, whenever you see these two bolts and goes to the bottom, I'll show you. But whenever you take a shocks, make sure you put it back exactly like it was. So for international RT, I show you how you put that back. This is the driver side. So let me just fix that quick, guys. I'm sorry about that. And this needs to go up a little bit. Okay. So the tools you need: 80mm socket, power tool, impact drive, and you need wrench. 80mm. I prefer this one because you will have to grab a boulder from the outside to tighten it till just it gets tight. My new shock absorber. All right, let's do this. So these two bolts, one going to the top and the other one with the spacer is going on the bottom. The top one is shorter than the bottom one. The bottom one comes with a spacer. The way you put it is gonna be this way. The smaller part or the thinner part on the low on the bottom, and the bigger on the top. So this is how it is. Let me show you. Let me fix it. Yeah, you see the bolts. Yeah. All right. Now it's better. Sorry about that again. So take your shorter bolt. Make sure the big side is on the top. So slide your bolt in there and bring it from the other side. That's how. And you tied it. The top, you don't have a bolt because the bolt is welded to the bottom, and then just pull, and then guys, put your spacer, take the bolt is going from the frame. and there's a spacer, and that spacer goes inside first your bolt, and then slide it through your shocks. Let it come from the other side. I have to push it from put the bolt back. I will show you how it will look. This is how it's gonna look. Of course, that bolt is coming from the frame, so you have to go from the inside. It's really easy. And then you tie them up. That's how you do them. You do it really easy. Tie them up and then you're done. Yeah. Grab the wrench. Tie it here. Have to go underneath the truck. Like I said, guys, it's socket 18. We are done. Let me show you. That's how you get it done. Yes, guys, it's so easy. If you like, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.